SNET's Unified Hospitality Communications Platform is a purpose-built phone platform designed specifically for hotel and hospitality environments. It modernizes communications while preserving the flexibility hotels need to operate efficiently across properties of all sizes. Whether a hotel is extending the life of existing analog infrastructure or deploying modern SIP endpoints to enhance the guest experience, the SNET solution adapts to each property's needs with deep property management system integrations, browser-based tools for staff, and guest-focused in-room features. The platform streamlines operations, improves service delivery, and enables a more personalized guest experience. Customers are not required to rip and replace their existing phone infrastructure. They can retain their current analog phones or transition to modern SIP endpoints, providing the flexibility needed to align with both budget and guest experience goals. For properties that continue using analog devices, SNET deploys SIP gateways or ATAs to seamlessly connect those phones to the platform. These gateways scale up to 48 ports, allowing support for even large hotel environments. For customers looking to elevate the guest experience, color LCD display SIP phones with a touchscreen interface deliver a premium option over your internet connection, with features such as customizable display backgrounds, one-touch speed dials, and personalized guest names shown on the phone display at check-in. This approach gives customers a clear choice, preserves existing investments with analog devices, or enhance the guest experience with modern feature-rich internet-connected endpoints. SIP phones support a customizable screensaver that allows hotels to display property-specific branding, reinforcing brand identity directly on the guest room phone display. Active screens on SIP phones can display branded wallpapers customized to the hotel property, along with configurable speed dial buttons that give guests one-touch access to hotel amenities and services. Upon guest check-in, the room phone display can be automatically updated to show the primary guest name in the top left corner, delivering a more personalized and welcoming in-room experience. Hotel staff can access a fully browser-based soft phone with no software installation required. The client works across all major web browsers, enabling fast and simple access from any supporting device. From the browser interface, users have access to a complete directory that includes hotel, staff, and guest rooms with intuitive click-to-call and dial pad functionality. Team members can also chat internally, join video conferences, and manage voicemails and call logs, all from a single unified interface. The Unified Hospitality Communication Platforms integrates with more than 120 property management systems, including Oracle Opera. These integrations connect the SNET purpose-built phone system directly to the property management system, enabling the exchange of guest information and call usage data to support operational efficiency, accurate billing, and an improved guest experience. If the property management system is unavailable due to an outage or scheduled maintenance, the SNET solution allows hotel staff to continue performing essential functions. Staff can check guests in and out, update housekeeping room status, and schedule wake-up calls directly within the phone system. Once the property management system is restored, the platform automatically synchronizes and updates it with any changes made during the downtime, ensuring continuity and data accuracy. Visit snetconnect.com/hospitality to learn more.